So today we're making boiled chicken with tofu, an easy, simple dish that anyone can do at home. When you get old, you will love this dish. It's very simple. Okay. So you buy the Firm Tofu. It's in red. And it says Firm. It'll be in the front cover. You'll see where it is. And you cut the tofu. And then you cut it in half. And just like that. And then you get a 3 or 4 stalks of lemongrass. You break it, bend it like this so that or break the smell or the scent into the water. And just put it in the hot water, in the boiling pot with chicken. We're using a whole chicken, okay? Then we're gonna add some salt into this pot and wait till it boils. It's already part boiled already, which I cooked it until I already cooked it already, and it started to boil, and then I drained everything and washed it in cold water to stop the cooking process. And now this is the second half where I put it in cold water again and boiling again. So this is fresh new water. And now I'm gonna add salt. And then if it doesn't taste like salt, we'll add it later, okay? We'll continue in a bit. Boiled chicken with lemongrass and tofu. Simplest dish ever. And it's easy to make. Okay, so now we're skimming. Now the chicken is boiling with the lemongrass and salt that I added earlier. So now we're gonna skim all these nasty stuff. Or foam, or skimming all that out because I don't like it. And yeah, and after all this is all out and the chicken's been boiling for a couple more minutes, then we're gonna add in the tofu. Okay, the tofu is right here, all cubed and ready, or triangular
Rectangular
shape.
prism.
So I'm gonna keep skimming all these nasty stuff.
It's called a rectangular
I like to
prism.
skim it and wash it in the sink because I don't want to put it in the sink. Boom. Okay, so now we're gonna put the tofu in there. I skimmed most of the stuff already, the nasty white stuff. So now I'm gonna put all the tofu in there. Let it cook for a bit, okay? And then when it's ready, when it's boiling again, or when this tofu is soft, it's ready. We'll be ready to eat. This dish is really good to eat in the morning when you're having like a little gathering, or you for the older folks. They love to eat this, especially in the morning when you want to cook something fast so you could get your gathering or your feast going for the rest of the day. This is the most simplest dish, and it's good to eat this during winter or cold rainy day. It's really hearty and very good. So this is the finished product: boiled chicken with lemongrass and tofu, Firm Tofu. If you use any softer tofu, it will be all smushy and gooey. That's why I recommend you use Firm Tofu with the red writings or cover on the bag. So this is the finished product. Eat it with rice. And that's it. Thanks for watching.